anything, seeing anyone, but why are you in my head?
And we are back at Taj.
They call it Taj Campton.
Taj
Second
Campton.
guess every second thought where the setup is for how your name gets involved. But I'd rather be with you.
Welcome to another episode of NachoTV. Today we are at Taj Campton, San Francisco. What room are we at? We are in 1203. Let's check. Okay. Okay, and here got some slippers, robes, ironing board, iron, what's this? Ah, safe to keep your things safe. And this little drawer has a laundry bag and dry cleaning services. You got your shoe mitt, more drawers. This, I believe, is a fridge. Nope. More drawers. Okay. The bathroom. It has doors. There's another door there. Toilet. Toilet paper. Phone. Art. Tub. Your soaps. Okay, and then got toothbrush, makeup remover, shower cap, vanity kit, body lotion, a skincare bar. And that bamboo plant is a real bamboo plant. Okay. Oh, hey. And got a clock. There's little USB ports on there too. Let's see. Drawers. Drawers. The bed also has some reading lights on top. Oh, this is some dessert that we bought from upstairs.
Downstairs.
Or I mean downstairs, a mousse. And karate chop pillow. Some water, ice bucket. Ooh. Ooh, okay. There's the fridge. Yep. Teas and coffee. Coffee machine. TV. We also had a quick dinner here before going to our room. And we are back at Taj?
They call it Taj Campton.
Taj Campton.
Yeah. So tomorrow we go see the Woobles.
Yay. We usually get room service, but today we're in a hurry. So we went downstairs to the restaurant and ordered some eggs and some crab cakes. And they also had a continental breakfast buffet, but we didn't have time for that. Pastries.
We're there for the event because I think I recognized one of the hats from like a previous Wooble event.
We are on the way to the Woobles.
Woobles wagon.
Alright, you can keep the ball.
Adorable.
But I'd rather be with you.